You've probably heard about Nutmeg. Maybe a friend raves about it, or you saw an ad. It promises effortless investing, high returns, and financial freedom. But let's cut to the chase. What's the real deal with Nutmeg returns? Is it the golden goose of investments or just another shiny object? Let's dive in. Building context before we crunch numbers, let's understand what Nutmeg actually is. It's a robo-advisor, meaning it uses algorithms to build and manage investment portfolios. The idea is simple. You provide your financial goals and risk tolerance, and Nutmeg does the rest. Now, the big question, does it work? Can you really make money with Nutmeg? That's what we're here to find out. Understanding returns, let's talk about returns. When people ask about Nutmeg returns, they usually mean the average annual return. But here's the thing, there's no simple answer. Why? Risk level, Nutmeg offers different investment options, from low to high risk. The higher the risk, the higher the potential return, but also the higher the chance of loss. Time horizon, how long you invest for matters. Short-term investments are riskier and can fluctuate more, while long-term investments tend to smooth out those ups and downs. Market performance, the overall performance of the stock market impacts all investments, including Nutmeg. A booming market means higher returns, while a bear market can lead to losses. Breaking down the numbers, while we can't give you a precise average return, we can look at some historical data. Keep in mind, past performance is not indicative of future results. Insert relevant data or graphs here. You could show average returns for different risk levels, time periods, or compare Nutmeg to other investment options. As you can see, returns vary. Some years are great, others not so much. But the key is to look at the long term. Historically, the stock market has tended to go up over time, and Nutmeg has generally followed that trend. Fees and costs, let's not forget about fees. Nutmeg charges a management fee, which eats into your returns. It's important to factor this into your calculations. Explain how to calculate net returns after fees. Diversification and risk management. One of Nutmeg's selling points is diversification. Spreading your investments across different assets can help reduce risk. This is where robo-advisors like Nutmeg can shine. Discuss how diversification can impact returns and risk. Is Nutmeg right for you? Nutmeg can be a good option for beginners who want a hands-off approach to investing. But it's not for everyone. If you're comfortable doing your own research and managing your investments, you might be better off with a traditional brokerage. Summarize key points about Nutmeg returns. So, what's the average return on Nutmeg? It depends. Your risk tolerance, time horizon, and the overall market conditions will all play a role. While there's no guarantee of high returns, Nutmeg can be a solid choice for long-term investing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.